On a nice, gleeful and happy melody, I write and polish and plain words that will be true and certain when I have filed them smooth. Since love soon levigates and gilds my song, which moves from her, upon whom worth wakes and rules. Every day I improve and polish, because I love and crave for the kindest one in the world. Here I tell you openly, I'm hers from head to heel. And even if the cold wind blows, the love that reigns in my heart keeps me the warmer, the colder it is. I attend and offer 1,000 masses and burn candles of wax and of tallow for God to gift me with success, with her with whom fencing is useless. And when I see her blonde hair, her body lean and fresh, I love her more than one who'd give me loser. So much I love her and want her in my heart that I fear to lose her out of excessive desire. One can lose something out of excessive love, because her heart overcomes mine and doesn't part from it. So indeed she holds me like the inn holds the worker. Nor to be made pope if I can't find refuge near her, for whom my heart burns and flares. And if she doesn't correct the wrong with a kiss within a year, she kills me and damns herself. In spite of the pain I endure, I don't sway from loving well. Even if she deserts me, I write melody and rhyme for her. I suffer more loving than one who labors, because compared to me, the one from Montclyde did love Audierna more than an egg. Hunts the hare with the ox and swims